Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete all photos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do to delete all photos on your iPhone is go ahead and open the Photos app. Then come to Library. You have access to all the photos you have on your iPhone. Now, click on the select button at top right and then select all your photos. So you want to select all the photos you have on your iPhone. Once they are all selected, then go ahead and click on delete at the bottom right. Then you see delete. Go ahead and delete the number of items you have here. And then you want to repeat the same thing on all the photos you have again to remove all the photos and delete them completely on your iPhone. And that's it. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.